Hi, from Additive Italia. This is our latest project, a new socket design. We start developing this solution to solve problems of the classic prosthesis design. First, breathability. We decided to solve it by using a gyroidal lattice structure. We increase the breathability and we minimize the contact with the skin. Second, weight. We achieve a lightweight design, optimizing shapes, adding structural ribs, and reducing the number of components through an assembly consolidation.
Third, comfort. We overcome the classical limits of the vacuum socket. With conformal and graded lattice structure, we achieve a better pressure distribution over the residual limb. Last, adaptability. Thanks to our new internal soft liner, we provide an advanced socket able to adapt the fitting according to the morphology limb fluctuations. Using an integrated interlocking system, we can quickly change the internal liner according to different activities. The way we design the socket opens to new future opportunities, leveraged by the typical additive manufacturing benefits. The workflow we use is completely parametric, so we can tune all the future to every limb geometry. This parametric design leads to a complete digitalization of the process. As a result, we can 3D scan the limb with simple device aiming to use in the future just a phone camera.
Additionally, the HP Multijet Fusion is one of the 3D printing technologies ready for the industrial scalability. It means we can automate the entire design of the manufacturing process. Considering all these advantages and opportunities, we develop an entirely new workflow, able to produce a better and cheaper socket. In other words, this leads millions of people to benefit from more democratic processes.